ZD. Every crane, truck, robot, and worker shares one intelligent network, transforming an ordinary construction site into the operations. Nothing here operates alone, because invisible artificial intelligence continuously predicts, coordinates, and optimizes moves. This construction site never truly sleeps, because intelligent systems monitor thousands of operations every second. Behind this extraordinary efficiency stands a virtual world where every beam, machine, and worker already exists. Engineers call this revolutionary system the digital twin, creating an exact virtual replica that evolves alongside every physical change happening. Every decision is tested digitally before expensive equipment ever moves, dramatically reducing costly mistakes while accelerating one of human. Building information modeling connects architecture, engineering, scheduling, materials, and costs into one intelligent system, guiding every construction activity with remarkable precision daily. Instead of isolated blueprints, thousands of interconnected design elements automatically update whenever one structural adjustment affects the rest of the entire development. Complex engineering conflicts are discovered months earlier, allowing teams to solve hidden structural challenges before expensive field operations begin on site safely. The greatest breakthrough arrives when digital planning seamlessly connects with intelligent machines operating across the physical construction. Thousands of connected sensors quietly collect information every second, giving engineers unprecedented awareness of equipment, structures, These invisible data streams become the nervous system connecting machines, materials, and infrastructure into one continuous.
Even concrete temperature and structural movement are monitored continuously, preventing hidden weaknesses from developing long before they threaten future building performance significantly. Above the project, autonomous drones repeatedly capture precise aerial measurements, replacing weeks of traditional surveying with extraordinary speed and remarkable. Fresh aerial data instantly reshapes project models, ensuring every construction team works with the latest conditions instead of outdated measurements or incomplete information.
Surveyors now verify massive earthworks within hours, allowing excavation crews to continue confidently.
Artificial intelligence also watches every worker carefully, recognizing dangerous situations before accidents occur and immediately recommending safer operational adjustments across the project. Potential hazards are detected within moments, giving supervisors valuable time to redirect operations before minor risks become life-threatening emergencies for construction crews. Safety evolves beyond protective equipment because intelligent systems continuously anticipate dangerous patterns humans might never do this rates. Yet the smartest innovation remains hidden inside every machine, quietly predicting failures before breakdowns.
Predictive maintenance transforms every machine into a self-reporting asset, allowing hidden mechanical wear to be corrected before
Instead of waiting for failures, engineers schedule repairs precisely when equipment health indicators predict declining performance with exceptional confidence and reliability. Unexpected downtime becomes increasingly rare because intelligent maintenance planning quietly protects every critical machine supporting continuous construction progress around.
Automation now expands beyond maintenance, allowing intelligent machines to perform repetitive construction tasks with
robotic precision improves construction quality while experienced workers concentrate on complex decisions requiring creativity, judgment, and advanced engineering expertise every day. Human expertise and intelligent automation evolve together, creating an efficient partnership rather than replacing the skilled workforce driving remarkable engineering achievements forward. Prefabricated building modules arrive exactly when required, eliminating unnecessary storage while keeping construction flowing with remarkable stories. Every delivery follows optimized timing because artificial intelligence continuously balances inventory, transportation, installation.
Construction schedules adapt automatically whenever weather, equipment availability, or site conditions change unexpectedly, protecting valuable time and essential processes.
Hidden beneath every operation, intelligent algorithms constantly search for better solutions, improving efficiency through countless massive structural components finally begin rising together, demonstrating how digital intelligence transforms ambitious engineering visions into precisely coordinated physical reality every single day.
Every successful installation confirms that continuous digital coordination has become the invisible foundation.
As technology quietly orchestrates every operation, the construction site begins functioning more like an intelligent, living or what appears effortless from above actually depends upon millions of intelligent calculations happening every second beneath this extraordinary engineering achievement's visible surface.
The future of construction has already arrived, proving intelligence can become the most powerful tool ever introduced to us. Every innovation revealed so far prepares the project for even greater engineering challenges, where artificial intelligence, the smartest construction site, continues evolving, because every completed task immediately becomes valuable knowledge. Behind every remarkable structure stands an invisible intelligence, quiet transforming how humanity.
Yet the greatest transformation has only begun because intelligent construction continues discovering possibilities.
The next breakthrough will not simply build larger projects, but create construction sites capable of continuously improving themselves.
Artificial intelligence now orchestrates thousands of simultaneous activities, ensuring every construction sequence unfolds with extraordinary precision. Every machine continuously exchanges operational information, creating an intelligent ecosystem where isolated equipment becomes one. Construction automation quietly eliminates repetitive inefficiencies, allowing complex infrastructure to rise faster while maintaining exceptional. Project accelerates because intelligent scheduling automatically adapts whenever weather, deliveries, or workforce availability unexpectedly changes throughout demanding construction operations daily.
Instead of reacting to disruptions, engineers now anticipate them through continuous digital intelligence, supporting every critical construction.
Hidden beneath concrete and steel, thousands of intelligent sensors quietly verify structural integrity, while continuous structural monitoring provides engineers with immediate confidence, allowing increasingly ambitious designs to become practical realities under.
As structures grow taller, artificial intelligence continuously balances safety, efficiency, logistics, and quality.
Gigantic prefabricated sections arrive perfectly synchronized, transforming weeks of conventional assembly into hours of coordinated engineering precision. Every successful lift demonstrates how intelligent coordination reduces uncertainty while dramatically increasing productivity. To do that, even the smallest operational improvements accumulate into extraordinary gains, reshaping how modern infrastructure projects. Artificial intelligence quietly analyzes millions of operational patterns, revealing opportunities invisible to even. Every completed operation immediately improves future performance because intelligent systems continuously learn from real construction experience. With construction sites once depended upon experience alone, but intelligent learning now creates continuously improving engineering ecosystems capable. Yet greater engineering challenges still emerge because extraordinary projects constantly test the true limits of intelligence. Extreme weather, enormous structural loads, and unpredictable conditions demand intelligent systems capable of adapting. Autonomous machines continuously adjust their movements, preserving precision despite constantly changing environmental conditions surrounding this remarkable engineering achievement every hour. Complex engineering operations now continue safely through conditions that previously forced expensive delays and disrupted ambitious construction schedules across massive infrastructure.
Every solved challenge strengthens the intelligent construction network, preparing it for increasingly ambitious projects.
The world's smartest construction site proves that intelligence itself has become the strongest foundation.
Construction quality reaches unprecedented consistency because intelligent verification continuously confirms every installation before hidden imperfections become expensive future problems anywhere.
Laser scanning validates completed structures with extraordinary precision, comparing physical progress against digital engineering models in almost real time every day. Every millimeter matters because intelligent validation protects structural integrity throughout each stage of this ambitious infrastructure development, from foundation to completion.
The completed framework now supports increasingly sophisticated systems, transforming raw structures into responsive environments.
Thousands of interconnected systems begin communicating together, creating infrastructure capable of continuously monitoring its own performance after construction.
Artificial intelligence extends beyond construction itself, becoming the invisible operator managing every future aspect of this remarkable engineering achievement with confidence.
Engineers perform comprehensive system testing, confirming every intelligent component responds precisely under realistic operating conditions before final project completion begins today.
Every successful simulation increases confidence that intelligent infrastructure will continue operating efficiently despite future and final inspections reveal an engineering ecosystem where digital intelligence and physical construction have become permanently connected through remarkable technological innovation together. Traditional construction methods now appear remarkably limited compared with this intelligent environment, where continuous optimization.
The completed project demonstrates how artificial intelligence can transform construction into an adaptive system constantly improving streets. Workers no longer battle unnecessary uncertainty because intelligent technology quietly supports every critical decision with
infants. The smartest construction site succeeds because human creativity and intelligent automation strengthen one another.
This remarkable partnership establishes a powerful foundation for future mega projects requiring.
As global demand increases, Intelligent construction methods become essential for delivering larger, safer, and more secure engineering breakthroughs will emerge from construction sites capable of learning continuously from every completed task without repeating previous operational mistakes again.
Every finished structure becomes another valuable source of engineering knowledge, continuously strengthening the intelligent.
The evolution of construction has accelerated beyond powerful machines toward intelligent ecosystems, capable of...
Tomorrow's cities will likely rise from intelligent construction environments, where every decision strengthens efficiency.
Yet even this extraordinary achievement represents only the beginning of humanity's journey toward fully autonomous construction. This intelligent construction model is already influencing ambitious infrastructure projects, inspiring engineers to... Every completed project expands the collective intelligence guiding future construction, allowing new engineering challenges to begin with unprecedented digital experience already available. Construction sites of tomorrow will continuously learn from yesterday, creating infrastructure that becomes smarter with every completed foundation. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming the invisible workforce supporting engineers, builders, and planners through every phase of increasingly complex construction worldwide today. Future mega-projects will rely upon intelligent coordination rather than isolated decisions, unlocking remarkable
Every technological breakthrough strengthens humanity's ability to build safer cities while preserving valuable...
The smartest construction site ultimately proves innovation succeeds when technology amplifies human potential instead of replacing. Invisible digital intelligence now supports every completed structure, extending construction excellence long after workers and machines leave the project.
What began as an ambitious construction experiment has become a blueprint for the intelligent infrastructures.
Future builders may remember this remarkable transformation as the moment construction evolved from mechanical effort. Yet one fascinating question still remains, because intelligent construction continues advancing faster than anyone. Will tomorrow's construction sites eventually design themselves, optimize themselves, and without waiting for... Engineers around the world are already exploring extraordinary possibilities that could redefine infrastructure beyond today's most ambitious technological expectations and limitations together. Every remarkable innovation begins with one bold idea, but intelligent construction transforms visionary concepts. This extraordinary journey reveals that the future belongs to engineering teams willing to embrace intelligence as their most valuable construction partner from today forward. Perhaps the world's smartest construction site is not the destination, but only the foundation for an even more extraordinary engineering future awaiting humanity together. The next generation of intelligent infrastructure will continue pushing engineering boundaries, unlocking possibilities that remain invisible. Thank you for exploring this extraordinary engineering revolution and another breathtaking journey into tomorrow's greatest. Till the next incredible engineering story unfold, the future of construction continues rising higher, smarter, and more than ever.